Welcome to section 20.12 of Metabolism. In this video, we'll focus on memorizing the details of vitamin E. Let's get started. This scene takes place in an ordinary outdoor area with a taco food truck. Taco food truck will be our symbol for vitamin E, which includes tocopherol and tocotrienol. Toco sounds kind of like taco, so we thought a taco food truck would work well for vitamin E. So again, taco food truck for tocopherol and tocotrienol. A lot of people have come to the park to enjoy the tacos for lunch. Some people even brought some berries to have with their tacos during a nice outdoor picnic. Just like our vitamin A and vitamin C video, the berries here should help you remember that vitamin E is an antioxidant. Berries tend to be rich in antioxidants, so this seems fitting. So berries for antioxidant. Now we've added this couple to the scene who are enjoying some tacos. It's this guy's birthday, so he brought some birthday balloons with him to the picnic. The red balloons look like red blood cells, so in our videos, we'll be using them a lot to represent this idea. In this scene, the balloon should help you remember that vitamin E protects red blood cells and membranes from free radical damage. Okay, before we go any further, let me take a second to explain the layout of this image because there is a significance to the way we've organized things. The rest of the information closest to the view, such as this couple, represents the findings of a vitamin E deficiency. We've organized it this way because this part of the image appears to be at the bottom of an incline as well as next to the bottom of the stairs. The fact that all of this information is near the bottom of the incline and the bottom of the stairs should help you remember that this component of the image is alluding to a vitamin E deficiency. So just think of the lower level of the scene near the stairs representing low vitamin E levels. Okay, with this in mind, let's discuss some of the findings of a vitamin E deficiency. Notice that one of the balloons next to the couple has a spiky looking surface. It's kind of like one of those special birthday balloons in a balloon bouquet. The spiky shaped balloon is to help you remember that a vitamin E deficiency can cause acanthocytosis. This is a deformity of red blood cells characterized by spiny projections. In the image, the spiky-shaped balloon looks like an acanthocyte. So, spiky-shaped balloon for acanthocytosis. Let's pull up a figure of this so you can see what it looks like. From this figure, you can see the spiny projections from red blood cells right here. Notice that they look kind of like this spiky-shaped balloon in the image mnemonic. We also discussed acanthocytes in the video on lipid transport. Recall that A-beta lipoproteinemia is a lipid disorder that can result in a vitamin E deficiency, which is why acanthocytes can also be seen in A-beta lipoproteinemia. Okay, let's continue discussing the story. Notice that there is a cane next to this couple. This guy has been sick at the hospital, which you can see in the background, but his girlfriend has brought him out here for a nice little break for his birthday. However, he still doesn't have all of his strength back, so he has to use this cane to help him get around. We've used the cane in this image to help you remember that a vitamin E deficiency can cause muscle weakness. So cane for muscle weakness. Now let's turn our attention to the left side of the image. Notice these little pillars right here next to the stairs. Just like in other images, we've used pillars or columns to represent the dorsal columns. The columns are in this image because a vitamin E deficiency can cause dorsal column demyelination. So column for dorsal columns. Notice that there are also thorny spines that wrap around this column. The spines represent the spinocerebellar tract. This is to help you remember that a vitamin E deficiency can cause spinocerebellar tract demyelination. So spines for spinocerebellar tract. Also notice that one of the couple's balloons accidentally got away and flew right into the spines. As you can see, balloons and sharp objects don't get along too well. This pop balloon here represents hemolytic anemia. This seems fitting, right? The balloon represents the red blood cell, so a popped balloon represents a hemolyzed red blood cell. This is to help you remember that a vitamin E deficiency can cause hemolytic anemia. So popped red balloon for hemolytic anemia. Okay, one more point before we move on. Because a vitamin E deficiency can cause neurological symptoms and anemia, it can sometimes be confused with a vitamin B12 deficiency. However, in a vitamin E deficiency, there is no megaloblastic anemia, hypersegmented neutrophils, or increased serum methylmalonic acid. Therefore, we haven't included any of these other ideas in this image, which should hopefully make it easy for you to distinguish a vitamin E deficiency from a vitamin B12 deficiency. Okay, now we've added a character on this little landing area that is up the stairs. Remember, the information up the stairs represents the feature of excess vitamin E. Notice that this mom here is enjoying a taco and that some of the taco beef is falling and landing on her helpless infant. The brown beef looks kind of like stool and can be thought of as a symbol for the gut. The fact that it's landing on an infant should help you remember that excess vitamin E can cause enterocolitis in infants. So beef landing on an infant for enterocolitis in infants. The mom is up on this landing area enjoying the presentation of a traveling clown. Notice that the clown is juggling tacos, which goes nicely with this taco theme. Recall from our vitamin K video that we used a crusty looking clown character to represent vitamin K. So in this video, we've brought back the clown to help you remember that high doses of vitamin E can alter the metabolism of vitamin K. So crusty looking clown character for vitamin E can alter the metabolism of vitamin K. And there you have it, everything you need to memorize about vitamin E.